I know that we've all seen this viral Omnilux face LED mask all over our pages, but what the heck does it do, and does it actually work? Omnilux is a flexible mask using scientific medical grade LED lighting that is meant to penetrate your skin and help with discoloration, fine lines, and wrinkles. It is one of the only LED face masks that have that scientific medical grade lighting a part of it, stronger bulbs, and you do not have to use any other products alongside of this. It's portable, easy to use, and many people call it their fountain of youth. Like, what? Because of its popularity, this thing is sold out everywhere. Even on their website, I think the earliest you can pre-order is for May 6th. But we just started carrying these at Planet Beauty in store and online, where not only can you come home with one as soon as today, but you're also gonna get an amazing discount. Definitely make sure to shop online, on the app, which, by the way, you get free products every time you order from the app, or in person and get your Omnilux today.